Imagine transforming your portfolio in just 30 days. Sounds bold, but there are 3 companies right now with explosive growth potential that Wall Street can't ignore. We're talking about a digital healthcare disruptor, a resource sector powerhouse, and a home solutions innovator, all with unique catalysts making July the perfect entry point. These aren't ordinary stocks. Missing out could mean missing the biggest gains of the year. We'll break down the catalysts, the numbers, and why these picks are set to soar. This is about smart, informed investing. No hype, just real opportunities. Grab a pen, hit like, and subscribe. Let's dive into the 3 stocks that could change your financial future. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. First up is Hims & Hers Health, ticker HIMS, a company that's not just participating in the digital healthcare revolution, but actively shaping its future. Hims is on a mission to make healthcare more accessible, affordable, and stigma-free for everyone, no matter where they live or what their background is. Their telehealth platform delivers personalized health and wellness solutions, from mental health to weight loss, all online and direct to your door. Whether you're seeking treatment for anxiety, hair loss, sexual health, or looking for a modern approach to weight management, Hims offers a seamless, discreet experience that fits into your lifestyle. The process is simple. Consult with a licensed provider online, receive a tailored treatment plan, and get your medications shipped straight to your home. No waiting rooms, no awkward conversations, just care on your terms. What sets Hims apart? It's all about accessibility, convenience, and a sticky subscription model that's driving explosive growth. Their services are available in all 50 states, and the company's direct-to-consumer approach means they're building relationships with customers, not just selling products. The subscription model keeps users engaged month after month, creating a loyal customer base and a steady stream of recurring revenue. In their latest quarter, revenue jumped 41% year over year, and subscriber numbers keep climbing. This kind of growth is rare in healthcare, especially for a company that's already achieved significant scale. Hims is proving that digital health isn't just a pandemic trend, it's a fundamental shift in how people want to access care. July is pivotal. Hims is expanding into high-demand areas like weight loss, leveraging its trusted brand and massive user base for even more growth. The company's new weight management offerings are already generating buzz, tapping into a market that's both enormous and underserved. With obesity rates rising and more people seeking convenient, judgment-free solutions, Hims is positioned to capture a significant share of this booming sector. The company's ability to quickly launch new products and adapt to changing consumer needs is a testament to its agile business model. Hims isn't just reacting to trends, they're anticipating them, staying ahead of the curve and meeting customers where they are. Wall Street is bullish, analysts are raising price targets, seeing a company with a proven model and a huge addressable market. The consensus is clear. Hims is not only disrupting traditional healthcare, but also building a business that can scale profitably for years to come. Unlike many tech startups, Hims is on a clear path to profitability, with improving margins and disciplined financials. The company has demonstrated strong cost control, and as it grows, it's benefiting from economies of scale. Investors are taking notice, as Hims edges closer to consistent positive earnings, a rare feat in the digital health space. Their brand is a moat. Clever marketing and a focus on customer experience make them the go-to for a new generation of health-conscious consumers. Hims has mastered the art of destigmatizing sensitive health topics, using humor, empathy, and transparency to build trust and loyalty. Their campaigns resonate with millennials and Gen Z, who value authenticity and convenience. The regulatory environment is favorable, and the pandemic has only accelerated telehealth adoption. Governments and insurers are increasingly supportive of virtual care, recognizing its potential to lower costs and improve outcomes. This tailwind gives Hims a long runway for growth as more people embrace digital-first healthcare. Over 1.5 million subscribers mean recurring, predictable revenue. Wall Street loves that stability. This subscription base provides a cushion against economic downturns and allows Hims to invest confidently in new products and markets. Even after a run-up, Hims still looks undervalued compared to peers, with room for revenue to double in the next few years. The company's valuation doesn't fully reflect its growth potential, especially as it expands into new verticals and geographies. Leadership is strong, with CEO Andrew 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗖𝗓 steering the company toward innovation and expansion. 𝗗𝗜𝗓𝒠's vision and execution have been instrumental in Hims' rise, and his team brings a blend of healthcare, technology, and consumer expertise that's hard to match. International growth is just beginning, and the model is easily replicable worldwide. As regulations evolve and digital health becomes more mainstream globally, 𝗗𝗓𝗦 has the infrastructure and brand to expand into new markets, bringing its unique approach to millions more. The network effect is real. More users attract more providers, which improves services and draws even more users. This virtuous cycle strengthens 𝗗𝗓𝗧's competitive position and makes it harder for new entrants to catch up. Their data-driven approach personalizes care and opens new product opportunities, building a long-term competitive edge. By leveraging user data responsibly, 𝗗𝗓𝗦 can identify emerging health trends, optimize treatments, and launch targeted offerings faster than traditional healthcare companies. Risks, competition and subscriber growth slowdowns, but 𝗗𝗓𝗧's brand and sticky model provide a strong buffer. The company faces rivals in both digital and traditional healthcare, but its first-mover advantage, loyal customer base, and relentless innovation keep it ahead of the pack. Technically, the stock is breaking out, institutions are buying, and momentum is strong. The recent surge in volume and price action suggests that big money believes in the 𝗗𝗓𝗧 story, and retail investors are taking notice too. Their marketing destigmatizes sensitive health issues, reaching markets traditional providers can't. By normalizing conversations around mental health, sexual wellness, and other taboo topics, 𝗗𝗓𝗧 is opening doors for people who might otherwise avoid seeking help. High customer lifetime value and low acquisition costs make for fantastic unit economics. This means 𝗗𝗓𝗧 can grow efficiently, reinvesting profits into new services and customer acquisition without burning through cash. The addressable market is massive, hundreds of millions could benefit, and 𝗗𝗓𝗧 is just getting started. From telepsychiatry to dermatology, the company's platform can expand into virtually any area of healthcare that benefits from digital delivery. With a market cap of $10.87 billion, 𝗗𝗓𝗧 has been steadily gaining investor attention. In 2024, the company reported revenues of $1.48 billion and achieved a net income of $126.04 million. Its earnings per share sit at 75 cents, giving it a price-to-earnings ratio of 65.28. That high PE ratio suggests strong growth expectations, but it also means investors are paying a premium for future potential. In summary, 𝗗𝗓𝗧 is a leader in a booming industry, with explosive growth, a clear path to profit, and multiple catalysts. The company's unique blend of technology, brand, and customer focus sets it apart from the competition. For July and beyond, 𝗗𝗓𝗧 is a top pick. Think of it as getting in on the ground floor of a healthcare revolution. As the company continues to innovate and expand, early investors could see significant upside. This is a stock to own for the long haul. If you believe in the future of digital health, 𝗗𝗓𝗧 deserves a spot in your portfolio. Let's move to our next pick. Next, let's shift our focus to HudBay Minerals, ticker HBM, a major player in the world of copper, gold, and zinc. HudBay stands out as a company perfectly positioned to benefit from the global electrification boom, which is transforming industries and driving demand for essential metals. Why copper? It's the backbone of electric vehicles, renewable energy, and modern infrastructure. As the world transitions to cleaner energy and electrified transportation, copper demand is surging to unprecedented levels, while supply struggles to keep up. Every electric vehicle, wind turbine, and solar panel relies on copper's unique conductivity and durability, making it irreplaceable in the green revolution. HudBay's mining operations are strategically located in stable, mining-friendly regions like Canada, Peru, and the United States. This geographic diversification reduces geopolitical risk and ensures steady, reliable production, which is crucial in today's uncertain global environment. One of HudBay's most exciting growth drivers is the Copper World project in Arizona. This ambitious development could potentially double their copper output in the coming years. Investors are starting to recognize this potential, and the market is gradually pricing in the company's future growth prospects. Financially, HudBay is a cash flow machine. The company consistently generates strong profits, which it uses to pay down debt, invest in new projects, and strengthen its already solid balance sheet. This disciplined approach to capital allocation sets HudBay apart from many of its peers. Analysts are increasingly bullish on HudBay, with many issuing buy ratings and price targets that suggest significant upside as copper demand accelerates. The company's growth story is gaining traction on Wall Street and among institutional investors. Despite its strong performance and growth prospects, HBM still trades at a discount to its peers. This means investors get both value and growth in one package, a rare combination in today's market. The company's management team, led by CEO 𝗗𝗓𝗏, has a proven track record of operational excellence and smart capital allocation. Their experience and vision have guided HudBay through market cycles and positioned it for long-term success. HudBay's diversification into gold and zinc adds resilience to its business model, providing a natural hedge against commodity price swings. This multi-metal approach helps stabilize earnings and reduces reliance on any single market. From a technical perspective, HudBay's stock is showing a strong uptrend. Buyers are consistently stepping in on every dip, signaling confidence in the company's future and the underlying strength of the copper market. The green energy transition is not just a short-term trend, it's a multi-decade transformation. HudBay is at the very center of this shift, supplying the copper and metals that make renewable energy and electrification possible. With global supply constraints and increasing demand, high copper prices are likely here to stay. Efficient producers like HudBay are poised to benefit the most, capturing higher margins and delivering value to shareholders. HudBay's strong focus on ESG, environmental, social and governance practices is attracting institutional investors who prioritize responsible mining. Their commitment to sustainability and community engagement helps future-proof the business against regulatory and reputational risks. Of course, there are risks. Commodity price swings and project delays are always a concern in mining. However, HudBay's strong execution, robust balance sheet, and diversified asset base help mitigate these challenges and provide a cushion during downturns. The company's ongoing share buybacks are a clear sign of management's confidence in HudBay's intrinsic value and future prospects. This shareholder-friendly approach rewards long-term investors. Metals like copper and gold are proven inflation hedges. By owning HBM, investors can protect their portfolio's purchasing power and gain exposure to assets that tend to outperform during inflationary periods. HudBay's scale and world-class infrastructure create high barriers to entry for competitors. This gives the company a durable competitive advantage and helps secure its market position for years to come. Ongoing exploration near existing mines offers free upside potential. If new reserves are discovered, HudBay can quickly and efficiently bring them into production, further boosting growth. This company currently holds a market cap of $4.30 billion. In 2024, HudBay generated $2.02 billion in revenue and posted a net income of $76.70 million. The earnings per share stand at 39 cents, with a P/E ratio of 27.92. This valuation reflects both the company's profitability and the market's confidence in its mining operations, especially in a commodity-driven environment. In summary, HudBay is a top-tier copper producer, perfectly aligned with the electrification megatrend. The company is undervalued, well-managed, and set for significant growth as the world's demand for copper accelerates. For July, HBM stands out as a smart, forward-looking way to play the future of energy and infrastructure. As the world electrifies, HudBay's role will only become more critical. Don't overlook this essential wealth-building stock. HudBay offers a rare blend of growth, value, and resilience in a rapidly changing world. Now let's look at our final pick. Our third pick is Betterware de Mexico, ticker BWMX, a direct-to-consumer powerhouse in home solutions, and one of the most intriguing growth stories in Latin America today. While many investors focus on big, well-known names, BWMX quietly delivers impressive results, making it a hidden gem for those willing to look beyond the obvious. This company is flying under the radar but packed with potential, offering a rare combination of value, growth, and income that's hard to find in today's market. Betterware designs and sells innovative, affordable home products through a vast network of over 700,000 independent distributors. Imagine a modern Tupperware but turbocharged for the digital age and tailored to the needs of today's consumers. Their digital-first approach means customers can browse, order, and receive products seamlessly, whether through a distributor or directly online, making the buying experience both convenient and personal. The company's asset-light model is a major advantage. By avoiding the costs of physical retail stores, Betterware keeps overhead low and margins high, allowing for rapid, profitable growth that's hard for traditional retailers to match. Instead of investing in expensive infrastructure, Betterware empowers entrepreneurial associates with a seamless mobile app, enabling them to manage sales, track orders, and grow their businesses from anywhere. Despite its strong fundamentals, the stock is deeply undervalued, trading at a low single-digit P/E ratio. This disconnect between price and performance creates a compelling opportunity for investors seeking both safety and upside. Betterware continues to post robust profits, expand its market share, and solidify its dominant position in the home solutions sector, even as competitors struggle to keep up. Recent market fears about Mexico, ranging from political uncertainty to currency volatility, have pushed the stock price down, creating a disconnect between perception and reality. Yet Betterware's financial results show resilience and continued expansion, with the company consistently beating expectations and delivering growth even in challenging environments. The financials are nothing short of stellar: high returns on capital, strong free cash flow, and a track record of disciplined capital allocation that sets Betterware apart from its peers. Investors are rewarded with a massive dividend yield, often in the high single digits, making BWMX not just a growth play, but also a powerful income generator. Importantly, the dividend is well covered by earnings and cash flow, providing both income and a margin of safety, even if the stock price takes time to recover. Growth isn't slowing down. Betterware is actively expanding into new countries across Latin America, tapping into huge underserved markets with similar consumer needs. The recent acquisition of 𝗗𝗟𝗨𝗦, a leading beauty and personal care brand, adds a whole new dimension to Betterware's portfolio, opening up cross-selling opportunities and diversifying revenue streams. Their proprietary tech platform, BetterNet, is a game-changer. It empowers distributors with real-time data, training, and support, keeping the network loyal, efficient, and highly motivated, a key edge over traditional direct sellers who struggle with retention and engagement. The company has proven it can thrive even in tough economies as consumers increasingly seek affordable, practical home solutions when budgets are tight. Betterware's products are priced for value, making them accessible to a broad audience and ensuring steady demand regardless of economic cycles. Leadership is a major strength. CEO Luis Campos and his executive team are highly experienced, deeply invested in the company's success, and own significant stock themselves, aligning their interests with shareholders. The home goods market is evergreen, with consistent demand driven by changing lifestyles, urbanization, and the ongoing need for organization and efficiency in the home. Betterware's niche focus and unique distribution channel keep competition at bay, allowing it to carve out a defensible position in a crowded market. As market fears subside and investors recognize the company's strengths, a re-rating could send the stock soaring. Behind the scenes, Betterware's supply chain and logistics are world-class, ensuring products reach customers quickly and efficiently, keeping costs low and margins high. Social impact is at the heart of the business. Betterware empowers hundreds of thousands of people, especially women, to earn flexible income, build businesses, and improve their communities. For many, Betterware is more than a job. It's a path to financial independence and personal growth, making the company's impact felt far beyond its bottom line. The 𝗗𝗟𝗨𝗦 acquisition brings powerful synergy, cross-selling opportunities, operational improvements, and a broader product lineup could unlock even more value for shareholders. Despite all these strengths, the stock remains a hidden gem for U.S. investors, many of whom have yet to discover its potential. This presents a rare chance to get in before the crowd, positioning yourself ahead of the next wave of recognition and institutional buying. This company stands out with its surprisingly low P/E ratio of just 0.64, despite impressive earnings. With a market cap of $359.09 million, it reported an astounding $14.10 billion in revenue for 2024 and a hefty net income of $711.73 million. Its earnings per share are a remarkable $15.07, suggesting it's generating significant profit relative to its share price. This valuation could either point to a hidden gem or signal underlying risks that investors are pricing in. In summary, BWMX is a dominant cash-generating dividend-paying leader with multiple growth levers, a bargain valuation, and a business model built for the future. For July, it's a rare opportunity to buy quality and value in one package, a company with global ambitions, strong fundamentals, and a clear path to long-term success. Don't let geography fool you. Betterware de Mexico is a world-class business, ready for global recognition and poised to reward patient investors for years to come. If you're looking for a unique blend of growth, income, and value, BWMX deserves a spot on your radar this month. There you have it, 3 strong buy stocks for July: 𝗗𝗟𝗗𝗧, HudBay Minerals, and Betterware de Mexico. Each offers unique growth, strong fundamentals, and clear catalysts. The time to act is now. Don't let these opportunities pass you by. These companies, each operating in very different sectors, present unique stories of growth, profitability, and market sentiment, making them fascinating to watch in today's market landscape. Want to level up your investing? Check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, link in the description. For exclusive tips and real-time alerts, join the Stocks Galore Patreon community. Which stock are you most bullish on? HIMS, HBM, or BWMX? Drop your pick and reasoning in the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.